Hello, me.
Next.
Hello. Good evening. Hi,
Good,
Min. Good evening.
good evening.
Okay. How are you today, Min? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Very good. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, nice. Have you eaten dinner yet?
No,
Oh, okay. What's the weather right now? What is the weather mean?
it's
Is
windy.
it sun? Oh, rainy?
Yes,
Wow, same here. It is raining, but very hot because I just got home. Okay, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready to learn?
yes.
Very good. So we are now in Unit 29 about us. Let's learn the vocabulary. Okay, look, listen, and repeat. Okay, look, we have
Castle.
Castle.
very good,
Hurt.
Hurt.
nice,
Hold.
Hot.
great job. Okay, look, Min, what is it?
It's a castle.
Okay, one more time. It's a castle.
Castle.
Nice. Okay, a castle is where the queen and the king live. This is their palace. Do you want to live in a castle? Yes or no? Do you want to live in a castle?
No,
Yes or no? No. Okay, now look at the girl. What's the matter with her?
it is hurt.
That's right. Okay, so look, which part of the girl's body got hurt? Is it her eyes, her leg, her arms, or her knees?
Lake.
Which part? Her knees. Very good. Okay, now look at this. What's the girl holding?
It is flying a ball.
That's right. So when we hold something, so like this, I am holding a bookmark. I'm holding, okay, a pair of eyeglasses. Okay, that means you're touching it. You are carrying it. That means holding. Okay, and when we say that you got hurt, that means something on your body is painful. Like that. That is hurt. So once we got hurt, we sometimes say, ouch, or sometimes we would cry. Do you cry when you get hurt?
No,
Yes? No. Wow, very good, Mean. Okay, now look at this one. Listen and repeat.
Drop.
draw.
Very good.
Shout.
Shout.
Dangerous.
One more.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Great job. Okay, look, when we drop something, okay, so we can, so the thing will fall on the ground. So once it drops, it falls on the ground. Okay, so if we drop a glass, it will be broken. Just like what happened to the iPad. Okay, the boy dropped it, so it got broken. Now look, what's the boy doing here? The boy is, what's the boy
The boy
doing?
is shout.
Okay, the boy is shouting, "Eh," like that. Okay, when you are shouting very loud, okay, it's so loud to the ears. Okay, and look, the girl, oh, this is so dangerous because it's open. When something is dangerous, that means it is harmful. All right? Okay. Now look and repeat.
Surprised.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Nice.
Huge.
Huge.
Cute.
Very good.
Brave.
Brave.
Great job, Min. Okay, now look at the girl. The girl is surprised. When you are surprised, you are having a wow emotion, like, wow, I'm surprised. Oh, like that. If you ever saw a snake, then you'll be surprised. If there's a snake, there's a snake, like that. Okay, and look, huge means very big. That's huge. So this is little, and this one is huge. Okay, now look at this star. I have a purple and this star, a rainbow star. So which star is huge?
A purple.
Huge. This is huge. Huge means
Oh,
big. This is huge. This is small. Okay, small and huge. All right.
all right.
Okay. So I will give you another example. So you answer. Okay, look. I have two candies. Yummy. Okay, so look. Pink candy and a blue candy. So which candy is huge? Blue or
Mm,
pink?
blue.
Very good. This is huge. Okay. And look at this one. We have brave. When you are brave, you are so strong. Like a Superman. Shh, like that. They are strong. Okay. Are you brave? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. What are you scared of? Are you scared of a dog? Are you scared of spider?
Dog.
Yes, me too. I'm scared of snake. So, oh my God, if there's a snake, I will run so fast because I'm not brave. Okay. Now listen to this. Oh, let's learn past simple tense. Okay, listen. We use past simple tense to talk about things that happened yesterday. Okay, look. This one is a positive sentence. Okay, because there is a plus sign. That's positive. So what is the sentence? Mary,
Mary was too lazy to exercise yesterday.
very good. Okay, now look at this one. We have um this structure, subject, then plus or where. So, teacher AM, what is a subject? Listen, a subject is the person that we are talking about. Subject is the person, or let's say the noun in the sentence. A person or noun. Okay, look. Mary was too lazy to go exercise yesterday. Who are we talking to? We're talking about
Teacher I am.
Okay, listen, wait a minute. Um, a subject is the person or the noun that we are talking in the sentence. Now, in this sentence, Mary was too lazy to go exercise yesterday. What is the subject?
Chủ ngữ là người hoặc danh từ mà chúng ta đang nói đến trong câu bây giờ. Trong câu này, Mary đã quá lười để đi tập thể dục ngày hôm qua. Chủ ngữ là gì?
Okay, who are we talking to? It is? What is the subject? What is the subject here?
Chủ đề ở đây là gì?
We have
Mary was too lazy to
Mary. Okay,
Mary.
Mary is the subject. Okay, now look. Mary, how many Mary in here? Only one. So we use was. Okay, now what about this one? Look, look. There weren't. Oh, wait a minute. Look, let's look at this one first. The players. Look and read. The
They are
players.
in river very early to join the game.
Very good. Okay, so what is the subject?
Hmm.
Chủ đề ở
Game.
đây là gì?
We have players. Okay. Players, the players, okay, they are the one that we are talking about in the sentence. So look, many players. So for this one, we use the verb that ends in ed. Okay, so the players arrived very early to join the game. Okay, now look at this one. We have negative sentence. We call it negative. Okay, look. Subject plus was not or weren't. So what's the sentence? There.
There weren't many people in the stadium.
Okay, you say stadium.
Stadium.
Very good. Okay, look. We're talking about many people in here. So we use weren't. When we say negative, it uses not. All right? Okay. Now let's look at this one. Peter.
Peter did not play chess last Monday.
Okay. You say Monday. Monday.
Okay.
Very good. So what is the subject here? What is the subject?
Play.
The subject is Peter. Okay, Peter is the subject. Play is the verb. Okay. So for this one, we have subject plus did not because it is in negative sentence. Then the base form of the verb. When we say the base form, it is original. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now look at this one. So this is a question mark. We call it interrogative because we are asking a question. All right. Now look, was or where, then the subject. Then it is answerable by no, she wasn't, or No, they weren't. Like that. Okay, now look. Was she sad?
At the was she sad at the losing the game? No,
Oh,
she went.
okay, you say, no, she wasn't.
No, she went.
Very good. What about this one? A question that starts with WH. What are those questions that starts with WH? So we have what, who, where, why, when. Okay, those are the WH question. Okay, now let's look at this one. So if the question starts with WH, then, okay, we have to answer it. Okay, so it requires long answer. Look at the example. Why, where,
Why were the players so careless? Because they thought they were winning.
very good. So look, we have players. So we use where for plural. Okay, what about this one? Yes or no question. So this is answerable by yes or no. So we use did plus subject plus the base form of the verb. Okay, did. Look and read. Did the fans? Okay, did the fans? Look and read, please. Okay, did the fans cheer when he scored?
The
Yes,
fancy
they did.
when he scored a goal. Yes,
Yes,
they
very good. What about WH question?
What did you do yesterday afternoon? A place passport with my friend.
Very good. Now, let's look at this one. Okay, so here we have adverbs. What is an adverb? Look and read
Adverbs
adverbs.
often modify verbs. They mean that they describe the way an action is happening. They express in each of the sentences about English. The question is one manner.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading. So look at this. Listen and say. Describe.
Describe
Okay, happening.
happening.
Modify.
Manifest.
Sentences.
Sentences.
Very good. So adverbs tell us, okay, about how we did the action. Did we do it good? Did we do it well? Did we do it slowly, fastly, or anything else? So usually, adverb ends in ly, just like this one. Slowly. Okay. Fastly. Slowly. Readily. Like that. So they are all adverbs. But there are adverbs that are special. We call them irregular, just like good or well. Okay. Now look, but some adverb, just like fast, we don't say fastly. Okay. So in here, they look the same. Hard, hard. Fast, fast. And early. Okay, for example, the turtle runs Slowly. What is the adverb? The adverb is slowly. It modifies the verb. How did the turtle run? The turtle ran slowly. Like that. Okay, but let's look at this one. The dog, okay, runs fast. Okay, now look. The dog runs fast. What is the adverb? We have fast. How did the dog run? Okay, listen. How did the dog run?
Con chó chạy như thế nào?
It's falling.
It runs fast. Okay, now what about the turtle? How did the turtle run? What about the
Slowly.
turtle? Very good. Okay, so slowly and fast are adverbs. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay. So an adverb modifies the verb. It tells us, okay, in what manner do we do the action?
Vì vậy, một trạng từ bổ nghĩa cho động từ, nó cho chúng ta biết được chúng ta thực hiện hành động theo cách nào.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's look at this one mean. Look and complete the sentence. Okay, that man sings. Is it well or badly?
Betty.
Badly. Very good. Okay, what about that man?
The slowly.
That's right. Very good mean. So for that, you have this one big candy. Nice. All right. Now let's look at this one. Write the adverbs of these adjectives below. Again, write the adverbs of these adjectives below.
Viết các trạng từ của những tính từ này bên dưới.
For example, slow, slowly. What about quick?
Quickly.
Nice. Quiet.
Quiet. Quiet.
Quietly. Quietly. Okay, careful.
Carefully.
Very good. Carefully. Nice. Okay. Now, let's look at this one mean. What about bad?
Badly.
Badly. Okay. Good.
Woodly.
Okay, so good is what we call a special adverb.
Tốt là cái mà chúng ta gọi là trạng từ đặc biệt.
So this is well. Good, well. Okay?
Okay.
What about this one? Loud.
Loud.
Okay. We have loud. What's this? Loudly. All right. Now, let's look at this one. I want you to look, okay? Read and say yes or no. Okay, people, for example, people in my country drive slowly. So this is no. Okay, what about you? Look,
Everyone is my family. Take Pilot.
Okay, yes or no?
No.
Very good. What about this one? 3.
Always carry things carefully.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. What about number 4?
My parents dance very badly.
Yes or no?
Mm,
Is that
uh,
yes or no?
yes.
Wow, I will tell your mom and dad. Okay, what about this one? Our teacher.
Our teacher sing really well.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Wow, your teacher sings very good. Okay, which teacher is that? Math teacher or science teacher?
Tired.
Okay, science. Wow, nice. Okay, what about this?
No.
Okay,
How
look and read our
is
class.
learning English very quickly?
Okay, yes or no?
No.
All right. What about this one, number 7?
Music is better when people is loudy.
Okay, yes or no?
Um, no.
Okay. So what about number 8? Number 8.
Yes.
Okay, read first. Read.
I'm learning English well with teacher AM.
Is that a yes or no? No? Yes? No? Mm.
No.
No. All right. So look. Okay. So which part in my teaching that you don't learn very well?
Vậy phần nào trong bài giảng của tôi mà bạn không học tốt?
Which part?
Mm.
Okay, wait a minute. Number 8, I'm learning English well with teacher AM. Okay, I want your honest answer. Is that yes or no?
Số 8 tôi đang học tiếng Anh tốt với giáo viên A. M. Được rồi, tôi muốn câu trả lời trung thực của bạn là có hoặc không.
Is that yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are
Yes.
you sure or you're only saying that one because you don't want to answer?
Bạn có chắc chắn không hay bạn chỉ nói thế vì bạn không muốn trả lời?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. So for this one, you have this one candy. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. And I really hope that you are really learning well in our class. Okay, because if you don't, then that means I have to teach again. Okay, so have a good night and have a great weekend. Bye, Min.
Bye.